Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today I'm going to take a quick look at the Dustopper PRO. Now this has been all over, and I've been looking at it and thinking about buying it, and just wasn't sure if it was something I thought would really work. But I thought, well, I'll give it a try. If it works, great, I'll keep it. If it doesn't, then I'll return it and get my money back. But today we're going to do the review. So let me open this up and kind of show you what comes with the Dustopper PRO kit. So you have your hose. You've got a couple of 90 sweeping 90s there, and the topper here. Now these fit, course instructions. Looks like there's a gasket here. These do fit the standard 5-gallon buckets. And so, any bucket will do. I happen to have a Home Depot bucket, so that's what I'm going to use. One of the things I want to point out here is that this gasket has a flat side here, and then it's like a half moon. The flat side goes down, okay? So when you putting the gasket in, flat side goes down, and you don't need to stretch this. They say it's supposed to fit all the way around the lid here. Let's just see how this works. Now, like I said, you don't need a screwdriver or anything. You just push this down by hand, and look at there, it comes out perfect. Perfect. So they cut it just exactly right. Has a couple of clips here on the side, so it clips on the bucket. Here, let me grab a bucket. I'm gonna just and just sets directly on the bucket on this side, on that side, on that side. This first time it was getting it down on there so that it seals on the seal. There you go. You have a 90 that goes here, your hose, and the rest of it connects to your shop vac. Now they recommend that you use a shop vac that's 5 horsepower or more. Mine's like 4.5, I think, but it'll work fine. And I'm going to show you, we're going to do a quick test. I'm going to show you how well this works. Okay, so I wanted to show you here. This is a 4.25 horsepower rigid wet and dry vac, my shop vac. I've had it a long time. It's probably 10 years old, but I still want to show you how well this works. And I wanted to show you that the filter on it's clean, and there's nothing in the bucket itself. Get that on there, and I'm going to connect the Dustopper like so. And got a pile of sawdust there, and let's just give it a quick test. Had no issues with it sucking up that big pile of sawdust. Now, here's the truth. Did any of it get into the shop vac, or is it all contained in the bucket there? So let's take a look here. Filter's clean. Very, very little bit of dust in there, the fine, real fine stuff. But for the majority, let me show you this. Pop the lid off, and there's all the sawdust. So guys, there's a lot of different dust collection systems, and you can spend hundreds of dollars purchasing one. This one I got at Home Depot for about $60 with tax included. I think it's like 56 bucks. This is the cheapest place I could find it. One of the key things that I really like about it, one is that it works, and you saw how well it works. Two is that this is portable. You can take this in any shop vac on a job site and have your dust collection. So, you know, you could hook it up to your table saw, you could hook it up to a chop saw, and, you know, there you go. You have dust collection. Pretty cheap dust collector. Between this and you know, maybe if you decided you want to wear a mask too, great deal. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me. If you have any comments, make sure you put your comments down in the comments, because comments are how we get a community going, and we can discuss these types of tools and stuff, whether something you would like. Maybe you have a dust collection system that you like that you've built yourself, or that works better. I didn't want to take the time to try to build something. This mouse trap looks like it's pretty good, and it's the one I'm going to use. So again, if this was helpful, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And until next time, stay safe.